The site is growing big time. We're investing $50 million into the site right now, and there's a big expansion happening. So it brings a lot of opportunities.
In Curia, we invest in our employees and we want them to move to the next level. Right now, all of my building managers are actually coming from the floor, and they're doing an excellent job.
I've been with the company for 17 years. I think it's a unique place to grow your career. I think you have a lot of opportunity. You see a lot of different problems, not the same problem every day, and I think that's what makes the experience at Curia unique.
If you're a hands-on person, we're getting to help design equipment trains that make new drugs that have never been made before.
So if you join Curia, you're not only going to have a tremendous career opportunity where you can maybe come in quality and spend a couple years there, maybe you want to jump into operations. It's a great career progression, but you're surrounded by professionals who truly care, who are highly talented, and are tremendously wonderful to work for.